मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस. सो ये 6th स्टैंडर्ड का बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लेसन है. सो मेक श्योर आप जरूर एंटर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ठीक है. हाँ, तो द मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस. Antonio was a merchant who lived in Venice, a prosperous city in Italy. In those days, that is about 500 years ago. 500 years ago, sea voyages were dangerous, and yet some adventurous merchants traveled across the seas. Some others spent a lot of money in sending ships of faraway countries. These ships brought back spices and other treasures from India and other cities and other countries. Yeah. The merchants sold these things in Europe. They made a lot of profit in this business. देखो एक एंटोनियो एक लड़का रहता, वो मर्चेंट रहता, ठीक है, जो वेनिस में ही रहता. और वो वेनिस एक प्रॉस्पेरस सिटी, एक बहुत खूबसूरत सिटी है, ठीक है. तो वहाँ ये कब की बात हो रही है? ये 500 साल पहले की बात है, ठीक है. आगे देखते हैं. एट द टाइम व्हेन द स्टोरी बिगिंस, एंटोनियो वाज वेटिंग फॉर हिज शिप टू रिटर्न विथ मर्चेंडाइज. ही हैड पुट ऑलमोस्ट ऑल हिज मनी इन द शिप. ये टाइम पर ना, जो जैसे कहानी शुरू होती है, एंटोनियो रुका था अपनी शिप्स के लिए कि उसको मर्चेंडाइज का रिटर्न ले लेंगे. एंटोनियो वॉज अ काइंड मैन. ही हैड मेनी फ्रेंड्स बट हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड वॉज Bassanio, a young and handsome noble man, but unfortunately he had no money. अब देखो, जो एंटोनियो है वो उसके पास पैसे बहुत है. हाँ ठीक है, मतलब वो दुश्मन नहीं. इसके देखो, इसका तो मेंशन नहीं किया है इस पैसे का नहीं, बट हाँ, जो बैसानियो उसके पास कुछ पैसे नहीं और वो बहुत हैंडसम है, ठीक है. बैसानियो वांटेड टू मैरी Portia was beautiful and intelligent. She was the only daughter of a very wealthy man. Her daughter had died. Her father had died, guys. कुछ जो बोलती हो, उसकी लड़की से शादी करना चाहता तो कैसे उसकी लड़की होती. Her father had died, leaving her a large estate. देखो क्या देखो, बैसेनियो जो बहुत खूबसूरत है, बहुत हैंडसम है, उसके पास कुछ पैसे नहीं और उसको शादी करनी है पोर्टिया से, ठीक है. पोर्टिया से कुछ है उसका नाम. वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, वो इंटेलिजेंट है, वो एक ही डॉटर है, एक लौती बेटी है एक आदमी की जो नहीं है, वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं है. In his will, Portia's father had written how Portia's husband should be selected. He had set a test for her suitors. They had to choose between 3 caskets, one of gold, one of silver, and one of lead. Each cassette had something written on it. On the gold cassette, it was written, "Whoever chooses me shall again what many men desire." On the silver cassette, "Whoever chooses me shall get as much as he deserves." On the cassette of lead, "Whoever chooses me must give me the hazards of all he has." One of Portia's suitors was the Prince of Morocco. उसके लिए जो चुने गए थे, लेकिन उससे शादी कर सकते, वो स्वीटर यानी कि बहुत से लड़के ऐसे थे कि इतने सब कुछ लाइक ऐसा एज अ कह सकते हैं, मतलब लाइक उसे चूज किया गया, बट अभी तक कैसे बोलेंगे, ऑप्शनल कह सकते हैं. 10 है, 10 में से कोई एक ही हो सकता है, बट 10 को एज अ चांस दे रहे हैं, कह सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसमें से मोरक्को एक प्रिंस था, प्रिंस ऑफ मोरक्को नहीं, मोरक्को जो जगह है उसका प्रिंस था. ही चूज द गोल्ड cassette, but when he opened the cassette, the message inside said it was not the red cassette. All that glitters is not gold. like जो हर चमकती चीज सोना नहीं होती, ठीक है. Another suitor, the Prince of Aragon, chose the silver cassette, but that too was not the right cassette. वो भी सही नहीं था. Bassanio wanted to try his luck with cassette. To do that, he had to travel the Belmont where Portia lived on her estate. He needed money for that. When Antonio came to know this, he wanted to help. He told Bassanio to borrow money in his Antonio's name. They went to Shylock, the Jewish moneylender, and asking him for the money. तो वो लोग एक Shylock में Jewish moneylender है, ठीक है. Shylock had a lot of money, but he was not at all generous. Money was all that he cared for. He did not like Antonio because Antonio sometimes lent people money without charging any interest for it. अब देखो, जो कौन था, ज्यूइश मनी लेंडर है ना, उसको एंटोनियो नहीं पसंद बिकॉज वो कभी कभी दे देता बिना किसी ब्याज के, बिना इंटरेस्ट के दे देता ऐसे. So Shylock decided to take advantage of his situation. He gave them the money on the strange condition. If Antonio failed to return the money within 3 months, Shylock would cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh. Antonio agreed to this and borrowed the money for Bassanio. Bassanio went to Valmont. When he saw the cassettes, he chose the lead one. That was the right cassette. The Bassanio won Porcia's hand by choosing it. Porcia was glad to marry Bassanio. In the meanwhile, Shylock heard that Antonio had lost his ships. He was very happy that Antonio would not be able to pay the money. He took Antonio, the court and demanded that he fulfill the strange and cruel condition. The duke liked Antonio and was sorry for him. But what could he do? Antonio had written a bond to Shylock and another according to the law. Shylock was right. When Bassanio and Porcia heard all this, they rushed back to Venice. Porcia told Bassanio to pay Shylock twice the amount to save Antonio. But Shylock was adamant. He demanded only a pound of Antonio's. ठीक है? अब क्या बता है कि मतलब वो बोला किसी और मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, जो मैंने कंडीशन चाहिए मुझे बस वो चाहिए, मैंने जो कंडीशन रखा मुझे बस वो जो उसकी कंडीशन बहुत क्रिंज और बहुत क्रूएल है. ठीक है. Everyone in the court, including the Duke, felt that Shylock's demand was inhuman. The Duke asked Shylock to show mercy towards Antonio, but Shylock was not ready to do so. He felt that Antonio and others had treated them badly before, and he wanted revenge. Just then, a young lawyer entered the court. He said that he would fight Antonio's case. He asked Antonio whether he had agreed to Shylock's condition. Antonio said that he had agreed. उसने कहा कि चल तूने वो किया ना, तूने माना कि नहीं, उसने वो बोला. तो उसने बोला हाँ मैंने माने. Then the young lawyer requested Shylock to show mercy that the law was on Shylock's side. The lawyer pleaded the mercy is a quality of God. ठीक है? Quality of God himself. When a person shows mercy to someone else, they are both blessed. Mercy was more valuable than a king's crown. But all this had no effect on Shylock. तो जो Shylock मतलब वो जो young lawyer ने उसे कितनी विनती की, प्लीज तू ये अपनी क्रूअल सी कंडीशन वापस ले ले, ये कर ले, बोला नहीं. The young lawyer then said that the law allowed Shylock to take a pound of wheat, and he could do that. At the same time, the lawyer wanted that while cutting, Shylock should not shed even one drop of Antonio's. He should cut exactly 1 pound, nothing less, nothing more than that would not be allowed by the law. Okay. Shylock realized that he could not do what the young lawyer asked him to do, and he accepted his defeat. Antonio's life was saved. Who was the young lawyer? Bassanio and Antonio found out later, and that it was none other than Porcia herself, dressed her as a young man. Later, it was learned that Antonio's ships were safe, and so he had not in fact lost his money. Thus, the story, which could have ended in tragic manner, ended happily. अब इसका मतलब पता क्या है कि उसको बोलता है कि चल तेरे को तेरी कंडीशन पूरी करनी है ना, जितना तूने बोला 1 पॉइंट 1 पॉइंट ही लेना, बिना कुछ चीज़ें जैसे उसमें कंडीशन मेंशन, बिना कुछ चीज़ें वो की हुए. सो इफ़ यू लव दिस वीडियो, यू नो व्हाट टू डू. फटाफट मेरे चैनल को लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, एंड सब कुछ मिलने वाला लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. बाय, टेक केयर, फटाफट सब्सक्राइब करो. बाय.